So we've gotten these awesome Sashiko kits in. They come from Japan, and what I really like about them is they're sort of really some pretty designs, some interesting designs. And
now, what does Sashiko mean exactly?
so Sashiko means in Japanese little stabs, and so basically a Sashiko stitch is a running stitch.
Okay.
And it was typically used for mending and repairing, but it's taken on a more decorative role in more contemporary terms.
So you would say it's kind of like a top stitching?
Like a top stitch, yeah. So in these panels, you'll get 2 panels in each pack. One is for like the back of something, if you want to put a backing on it, and then you're going to stitch on the one that's pre-printed, okay? The Sashiko stitch is a running stitch. You don't need to make a knot. Sashiko thread is a really tightly plied 100% cotton thread.
Do you usually want to use a darkly contrasting color, or can you use...
I think that's personal preference.
Mm-hmm.
So a long time ago in Japan, Sashiko threads were white, but now
they can be anything.
they can be any color, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll start by coming in and out, just sort of following the dots or the lines.
And is it right to left if you're right-handed?
I think so. I think stitch in a way that makes you comfortable. I don't make a knot, some people do, and then you'll notice when I give you the needle that the Sashiko needle is much longer than a typical embroidery needle, and that's so that you can load up. As you get better and better, you load up a lot of stitches
I
on
like
you.
long needles anyway.
Yeah.
1, 2, go into the end of that one.
Yep.
Come up,
Yeah.
through, back up,
There you go. You're very good.
down. Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try to do 4.
Living on the edge. So the nice thing about these panels too is if you're not exactly precise in following the lines, the ink washes off. So when you're
great.
done with your stitching, all you have to do is soak it and the pattern washes off. So don't pre-soak,
Okay.
because then you're stuck.
Not too tight.
Yep.
Nice and...
Yeah, that's a nice even tension. When you get to the end of your line, you'll notice there's a gap before you return. Just leave about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of slack.
Okay.
And that gets tucked into the inside of your project, so you don't really need to worry
It's
about
on the
it.
back, so...
Yeah, it's on
and
the
then
back.
just keep going.
Correct. And then once you finish all the up and down lines, then you start to do the horizontal zigzags.
Intermediate. It's pretty easy to have a lot on your stitches and your needle.
Yeah. My mother-in-law, and my mother-in-law is Japanese. She can load up like 9 or 10 stitches on her needle. She's
That's
very
gonna be
good.
me in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, that looks really pretty. Don't you love the thread too? Because it's a heathered thread, you get little bright
Like
spots.
variegated
Yeah.
kinda. And if I mess up, I could just
Pull it out.
take it out since you didn't tie it.
Yep. That looks really great.
Thank you.